it's Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So Merry Christmas to everyone, and today I wanted to show you guys a package that I got from Banggood. And so make sure you check out the links down below. I'll link their website and all the items I got down below. So the first item is this tree. You saw him in the intro. He's a really good dancer. Mochi, do you like him? He fell asleep. Alright, so the first squishy item I got is this Punimaru Cheeky King squishy. But I'm not really sure what happened about the box. It's kind of smashed up, and we've had some problems like this in the past. And I know a few other YouTubers that have also had this problem. So maybe Banggood could fix this in the future by maybe shipping the box separate from the squishy. Maybe that would help from not getting the box so squished up. But I'm super happy that it's a licensed Punimaru squishy. So here we have the Cheeky King. Super adorable. This guy's little staff with a little banana on it. And then we have a little, open it up. Alright, so here is the Cheeky King out of the packaging. Smells like banana. Smells good. Alright, and then we have this really cute little keychain. And it has the cheeky girl monkey. Chica, I think her name is. Very cute. Here's a little keychain card. Alright, so I don't want to repeat myself again, but what happened to this box? I mean, the box is really cute and everything, but it kind of got smashed up. But anyways, thank you for the squishy. So here we have another Punimaru. It's this very glittery donut. And it says it's a disco donut with Cheeky and Chica. So that's super adorable. It's kind of like holographic. Very pretty. So open it up. It smells really good. It smells like blueberries. Uh-oh. The glitter is kind of falling off, but it's super pretty. Alright, so next we have a Kibro squishy, and it is called Pizza Hot. It reminds me of a Shopkin with a little face. Super cute. It's got like pepperoni. Very adorable. What are you doing, Mochi? Alright, so let me open it up. It is the pizza. Oh wow, that's so soft. Wow, that's really slow rising too. Oh, it smells like, it smells like a gummy bear. Reminds me of those gummy pizzas you can get. Alright, so the next squishy is this Yummy Bear Vampire. It's super adorable. Very cute. It's got like a little pumpkin on its head. It's even got the little wings. Super adorable. Here's the tag. It is a Yummy Pyre. And it's made by Creamy Candy and manufactured by Punimaru. Oh wow. That's like a strong smell of oranges. So cute though. And then look at the little tag with Yummy Bear biting into a crying pumpkin. Alright, so the next squishy is this ginormous peach. It's so big. Holy moly, it's bigger than my head. Wow, look. Oh wow. And don't mind the background. Mochi is going a bit crazy. But look how big this is. Wow. It also smells like a peach. Yeah. Alright guys, so I saved the best for last. And the reason why I saved it for last is because I wanted to show you guys that this unicorn is the same size as Mochi. And it's so big. Look how big this unicorn is. It's like also galaxy. It's so pretty. Alright, Mochi, let's see how big you are compared to it. It's the same size. Look at that. Oh, Mochi's so small. Oh. Alright, so now let's squish this giant unicorn. Holy moly, this is big. Don't forget to check out the links down below. And thank you, Banggood, so much for sending us these amazing squishies. They were so awesome and really big. So guys, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want us to do in the next video. Bye!